Hello everyone! Today we're going to take the ultimate guide to figure skating equipment and outfits for beginners, kids and adults. Figure skating is a beautiful and exciting way to enjoy the ice, whether you are a young beginner taking your first steps or an adult looking to try a new activity. However, like any sport, having the right equipment and outfit is the key to both safety and comfort. In this guide, we will cover everything you need to know about choosing the best figure skating gear and outfits for beginner skaters of all ages. From selecting the perfect pair of skates to understanding what to wear for warmth and flexibility, we have got you covered. Number 1. Essential figure skating equipment for beginners. When starting out with figure skating, choosing the right equipment is essential for both safety and skill development. For beginners, the most critical piece of gear is a pair of well-fitted figure skates. These skates are designed specifically for balance, turns, and learning foundational moves like gliding and stopping. Figure skates for beginners. Let's talk about topics. One of the most defining features of figure skates is the toe pick, located at the front of the blade. This feature helps beginners with stopping and performing basic moves on the ice. However, it also requires some getting used to, as it can trip up new skaters if not used correctly. Recreational skates versus competitive skates. For beginners, recreational figure skates are the best choice. These skates are designed for comfort and provide ample support without being over-rigid like professional grade skates. Brands like Jackson Ultima or Rydell are known for offering affordable and supportive options for new skaters. Why fit matters? A snug fit is key to providing the right ankle support, which is crucial for stability on the ice. Skates that are too tight can cause pain, while those that are too loose may lead to ankle injuries. Number 2. Choosing the right figure skates. When selecting figure skates for beginners, whether for kids or adults, it is important to focus on comfort, support, and durability. The right pair of skates will make learning easier and safer, ensuring a smooth experience on the ice. The most crucial factor is ensuring the skates fit properly. For beginners, especially kids, adjustable skates can be a practical choice, allowing for growth without sacrificing support. Skates that are too loose can lead to instability, while skates that are too tight can cause pain and restrict movements. A good fit should provide snug support around the ankle to prevent injuries while still allowing enough flexibility for bending and balancing. Remember that new skates require a break-in period, so don't worry if they feel slightly stiff at first. However, they should never be painful or cause discomfort. Let's talk about materials and comfort. Synthetic versus leather boots. Beginner figure skates often use synthetic materials that are lighter and more comfortable for casual skating. More advanced skaters may use leather for greater durability and support, but these are usually reserved for more serious skaters. What about blades? For beginners, the blades should be made of stainless steel for durability and easy maintenance. It's also important to have blades sharpened regularly to maintain control on the ice. Let's move on to number 3 point. What to wear for figure skating? When it comes to figure skating, wearing the right clothing is just as important as having the right skates. Whether you are skating indoors or outdoors, the goal is to stay warm without restricting movement. Choosing flexible, comfortable, and moisture-wicking clothes will make your time on the ice much more enjoyable. Flexible pants. Opt for fleece-lined leggings or athletic pants that are stretchy and allow for a full range of motion. Avoid bulky or stiff pants like jeans, which restrict movement and can become uncomfortable if they get wet from falls. Layers. Dress in light, moisture-wicking layers. A base layer of thermal or moisture-wicking fabric can keep you warm without making you overheat. Pair this with a lightweight fleece jacket or vest for added warmth. Avoid bulky coats. While it might seem smart to bundle up, bulky jackets can limit your mobility and make skating more difficult. Instead, choose from fitting layers that keep you warm without getting in the way. Gloves, socks, and accessories. First, gloves. Beginners will fall often, and gloves are essential to protect your hands from the ice. Thin gloves with waterproof material are ideal, as they keep your hands warm without sacrificing dexterity. Socks. Avoid thick, bulky socks, which can cause blisters and affect the fit of your skates. Instead, choose thin, again, moisture-wicking socks, keeping your feet dry and comfortable. Number 4, protective gear. Do you need it? While figure skating might seem less risky than other ice sports, beginner skaters, especially children, can still benefit from protective gear, particularly when they are learning to balance and glide. Safety gear helps prevent injuries from falls, which are common during the learning phase. Helmets. Helmets are highly recommended for young skaters, as they are more prone to falls while learning. A well-fitted helmet can prevent serious head injuries, which are more likely when kids falling backwards. Although not as common for adults, helmets are still a smart choice for beginners who are nervous about falling. Any lightweight, well-fitting helmet will do, so you should make sure it doesn't interfere with your visibility. And of course, here's optional protective gear like pads. While figure skaters don't typically wear knee or elbow pads, beginners, especially children, can wear this to protect from minor bumps and bruises as they learn to skate. Wrist guards and another good option for added protection when falling forward. And here's a safety tip. Always check with your local rink, as some may have specific rules about protective gear for beginners, particularly children. Starting out in figure skating can be both exciting and challenging, especially for beginners of all ages. With the right gear, well-fitted figure skates, comfortable clothing, and essential protective equipment, you will be able to enjoy learning to skate with confidence. Whether you are a parent helping your child take their first steps on the ice, or an adult eager to try something new, having the proper equipment and outfit will make all the difference. Investing in quality gear not only makes skating more comfortable, but helps reduce the risk of injury, ensuring that your time on the ice is safe and enjoyable.